everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. I will leave all the links down below. Today I will be reviewing the Revlon hair dryer in this type of hair. So let's see if it works. Okay, so I bought this hair dryer in Amazon. It was actually $49.45 and it was not that bad. I think in other places they sell it for a higher price, but in Amazon they sell it for $49. And if you're a Prime member, they usually won't charge you shipping, so it was delivered right in front of my house. And it is kind of big though. Sorry, it has been used already. Well, I've used it a couple of times and I haven't cleaned it. But anyway, I was looking for a more practical hair dryer because the one that I have was the turbo and I've had that for years and it has worked fabulously. But for me to dry all of my hair, it takes me approximately 2-3 hours, which is a lot. And all the reviews that I've seen regarding this hair dryer is that you could dry your hair in less than 40 minutes or 20 minutes. And I will be trying that on camera and showing you the before and after. So this is obviously the before. One of the things that I use all the time before I blow dry my hair, it's the vitamin hair. And I bought this in Amazon as well. And it's almost empty, so I have to rebuy them again. So it has oils, avocado oils, vitamins A, C, E, and B5. I'm not sure what the vitamin B5 does to your hair, but apparently it works. And this one over here, I really cannot pronounce it, but I got this in a subscription box. I think it was FitFatFun, and so far I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So yeah, stay tuned. I am going to divide my hair and we'll start with the process. Been approximately 5 minutes and I'm almost halfway done, and look how it looks, you guys. So it's working. I love it. Let's continue. minutes to blow dry my entire hair. And I love the results, you guys. What do you guys think? With the turbo, it usually used to take me approximately 3 to 4 hours or more, depending on how many breaks I took, because having your hands up, it's tiring, and I got tired really easily. But this is the Revlon hair dryer, and I love it. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. You guys have a beautiful, amazing week. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.